Measure and mark the positions for the steel post mounts on the ground, ensuring they are spaced 1.8 meters apart from center to center. Mark the locations for the expansion screws on the ground. Drill holes in the flat concrete ground. Secure the steel post mounts with the expansion screws. Install the aluminum post sleeves over the secured post mounts. Ensure the sleeves are stable and firmly positioned before proceeding. Insert an aluminum stopper at the bottom of each post sleeve. Place the aluminum starting trim over the stopper at the bottom of the post sleeve. Leave at least a 3 mm gap between posts and all board sections. Install the first fence board over the aluminum starting trim. Then continue installing the remaining fence boards one by one, ensuring they are properly aligned. Place the aluminum ending trim over the last fence board, ensuring the tongue of the fence board fits into the groove of the trim. Secure the brackets to the trim using screws, ensuring they are tightly fastened. Continue installing the remaining straight and corner fence sections by repeating the previous steps. Use a tape measure to determine the actual length needed for the trim inside the post. Use a power saw to cut the trims according to the measured length. Insert the aluminum post trims into the aluminum post sleeves to give a clean look and improve stability. Install aluminum post caps on each post sleeve. Ensure that all components are securely installed and aligned. Once the installation is complete, check all fence sections and components to ensure they are stable and securely fastened.